Guys, I'm going to show you how to take your heat shield screen from this to this. Coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm going to show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, and get alerts on all what we're doing here. Okay? So, what are we doing here? Real quick video for you guys. A while back, I put out a how to clean your Ninja Foodi Grill video, and I'll put a link to that right here. But one thing I did not go over was the heat shield, the splatter guard that goes over the heating element. I didn't go over cleaning it. It's my bad. I left it out on that one. So I wanted to take a quick video just to show you exactly how I did it. So I went to the store and bought me some EasyOff, whatever oven cleaner you can find will work. I will put a link down below for this. If you want to check it out, it makes it a little easier to go to Amazon, have it sent to your house. So the first thing I did was put some gloves on and open up this window behind me, right above the sink. The fumes from the oven cleaner, you know, no one wants to get loopy while they're filming a video, or maybe they do, you know, whatever. I am not here to judge. Anyway, so we put it in the sink, sprayed it all over, all the way around, both sides with the oven cleaner, just going off the directions, 20 minutes to let it sit, okay? That's what I did for this particular video. Most of the other times I do it, I'll go for like an hour or so, but I wanted to, it popped in my head that I want to get this done tonight, so this is what I'm doing, and I did it for only 20 minutes, okay? Once that 20 minutes was up, just rinsed it off completely, rinsed all the, you can see all the brown and nastiness coming off of there. It actually killed me to do this video because I had to let my screens, I have two foodie grills, I had to let both of the screens get really dirty so I could do this video. And I usually keep it a bit more clean, but I wanted to get this done, so this is what we're doing, all right? So after that, I took the scrubbing brush that comes with the Foodi Grill, covered it with some Dawn dish soap, and just scrubbed the heck out of it. And if there's any little chunks of particles that didn't get rinsed out or dissolved off the mesh screen from the EasyOff, I just used that grill brush to kind of push through the mesh, and it comes out as clean as can be, clean as a whistle, right? Okay, so that's it. I wish there was more to that one, but clean it, dry it, throw it back in, rinse, repeat as you cook. Some people do it every time. I probably go on normal, 2 or 3 cooks, but for me that's just a normal Saturday because I'm doing my videos or whatever. So I do use the EasyOff quite a bit, but I want to make sure you guys know gloves, open the window. All right, it's obviously this is some heavy duty corrosive stuff. It even says on there wear gloves. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll put a link down below for the gloves that I use, which are probably going to be hard to get a hold of right now, just based on the environment of the world right now. But I'll put a link down below for the gloves. I'll put a link down below for the EasyOff. Hopefully that helps you. That's it, guys. If you think I left something out, put it in the comments below. I'll address it in another video. But between my first initial cleaning video, which I'd already linked, and this one, it pretty much covers all of the Foodi Grill cleaning. Okay. That's it. I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, also a link down below for that too. All right, eat cooking with CJ merch, as always, down below. Everything's down below. All right, hit show more on the video description. That's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cleaning with CJ. Take care.